Have you ever thought you could have a park right in your own backyard? With the Canyon Ridge Play Set by Cedar Summit, your dreams can come true. With all these exciting play features, you won't know where to start. Invite your friends to come play in the lower clubhouse. There is so much to do with a working door, dinner bell, hanging chalk sign, and a play barbecue with utensils. Use the play food to serve up some lunch or dinner. Climb the rock wall or ladder to reach the extra large upper clubhouse. With play steering wheel and telescope. The 2 slides are so much fun. You can choose between the super fun wave slide and the exciting tube slide. The Canyon Ridge has all of this plus 2 belt swings and an acrobar. With this much stuff, there's always room for friends to come play. And parents love the decorative siding and wooden roof. They think it looks great in the backyard.
Safe place to play is very important to all of us at Cedar Summit. All of our products are made with 100% premium cedar lumber, pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-treated with an environmentally friendly, water-based stain. Our exclusive, new generation factory-assembled panels simplify assembly, making the process easier and saving you time. And our 5-year warranty means your Cedar Summit playset is built to last.
With so much to do, there's no doubt that the Canyon Ridge Playset by Cedar Summit will be the focus of all our outdoor adventures. Don't just listen to us, see what our customers are saying.